Starting a small business in today's fast-moving world can be one of the most rewarding decisions you make. Whether you're looking for a side hustle, full-time gig, or passive income stream, the opportunities are endless. In this blog, we'll explore some of the best small business ideas you can start today in 2025, even with little investment. Digital products like Excel templates, ebooks, online courses, and digital planners are in high demand. They require no inventory and can be created once and sold repeatedly. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and your own Shopify or WordPress website make it easy to get started. Freelancing is one of the best businesses to start immediately if you have a skill like writing, graphic design, social media management, or SEO. You can work with global clients on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or directly through LinkedIn. If you enjoy writing or creating content, starting a blog or niche website that promotes affiliate products is a great way to earn passive income. You recommend products and earn a commission for each sale. Print on demand allows you to sell custom t-shirts, mugs, and other merchandise without holding any inventory. You create the designs, and companies like Printful or Printify handle the rest. Content creation is booming in 2025. If you're comfortable on camera or with your voice, you can start a YouTube channel or podcast in any niche: finance, health, motivation, tech, etc. Many businesses and individuals need help organizing their data. Offering Excel templates like expense trackers, payroll trackers, or sales dashboards can be a great business idea. If you prefer an offline business, consider local services that are always in demand. You can start solo and expand by hiring help. If you have experience in a specific field, business, fitness, career development, you can offer one-on-one coaching or group sessions. Use Zoom or Google Meet for virtual sessions. The best business for you is the one that matches your interests, skills, and resources. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start small, learn as you go, and keep adapting. In 2025, digital-first, service-based, and content-driven businesses offer the best ROI and flexibility. Pick one idea, commit for 30 days, and see where it takes you. Great things happen when you begin.